Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, as you see, I'm gonna be doing my hair today. It's late night, so your girl already braided her hair and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you basically what kind of hair I'm gonna be using. This hair right here, the 3X model glance braid, wavy feather twist 16-inch. So I have this in the color OT 27, and I have 3 packs of these, but I think 3 packs is gonna be too much, so I'm not sure how many strands are in here, but I will try to put it down in the description box. But you know, it has 3 sections, you know, section 1, section 2, and section 3. Okay, so like I said, I got this in the OT 27, and this is a 16-inch, and this hair cost me $8.99. Okay, so like I said, there's too many strands in here. I will put how many is in a pack in the description box. Okay, so what you will need is your crochet pin and your hair. This is how the hair comes, like a string, and then you just go ahead and start installing basically. Alright, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys basically what I'm gonna be doing, and yeah, so let's get the installation ready. Okay, so guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm gonna be spacing the back a little bit, and then, you know, because I don't want it too bulky or too much where it will look like, you know, so bulky in that kind of way. So you know, but it's not gonna take me that long at all. So I'm gonna be watching TV while I'm doing this, and yeah. done dolled up and you know. Okay guys, so I am all done with this hair on my head. So I went on and lay my sides, because I can't say edges because I don't have no edges, okay? So yeah, so I am all done. So I did use almost all 3 packs on my head. I thought it was so much hair. Before I installed it, I was thinking, you know, it was too much hair, but it wasn't at all. Thank God I got 3 packs, and this is how much left. There are spaces, not much, but you know, so I will go back in and try to do those fillings and things like that. But I figure it was 60 in each pack. The strands, the hair per pack is 60 per pack. It's 20 on each side, so it was 3 in 1 pack, so it was, you know, 20, 40, 60, it was 60 in 1 pack. So you just do the math. I used 3 packs basically, because I'm gonna go back in and fill that in, and because, you know, so like I said, this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair. Your girl did the hair, okay? So let me put this down. So this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair. I'm lit, y'all. Ooh, I could use the nail. That ain't cute. So let me take this down. And voila. So this is how my edges are looking like. Okay, this is how full I made them to look, you know, so they really look really nice. And I also did a part in the middle here, so let me find a part. Okay, so this is the parting that I did here. So this is how the hair looks, y'all. Okay, so let me turn around. And before I do turn around, so you guys can see 360, give you more view on how this hair look. This hair is very lightweight, y'all. Very. Do y'all see? It's very lightweight. I never had a hair like this, like those mambo twists. They were so thick and so on and so forth. But this is very light. So if you're looking for something really light and something easy, check this out, okay? So let me just turn around, show you guys. And also showing you guys. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I think I gave you guys a good view on how this hair looks after I install it. And yeah, so like I said, the hair cost $8.99, and if you're looking for something really quick and easy, go ahead and do it, okay? And this will last you. This is reusable hair as well, so if you're looking for something quick, this, go ahead and do that. But it's raining, and you know, I'm about to go out. I don't want this hair. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, you can leave it down, you know, some days you can leave it down like that, and some days, like I said, I'm about to go to work and I would rather put it up like that. It might not be everybody's cup of tea to put them up, but when you at work, you don't want nothing to bother you and stuff like that. So I'll just, what I did with my rubber band. Okay. So this is how I'm gonna go to work, y'all. So alright, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Kind of sweating a little bit, you know, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, guys. I hope you like, you know, the hair. I am loving it, y'all. I am loving it, y'all. Loving it, loving it. So y'all, how much I save again? I save a lot of money in my pocket. Yes, I did, by doing this hair myself. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, guys? Have a nice day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.